Hey, hey, hey. Doesn't matter what camera you got, as long as you got something to do the filming with. My chair, man. Still gotta be on that chair. Mr. Squirrel's eating a cookie. Yeah, it's a helmet. Doesn't have any reflective things on it. What a windy day. I'm all lit up, right? So I look a lot better than being in the dark. What you're seeing is this whole area just being modified from the existing with new. And it becomes very difficult when you have piping that lowers the ceiling. So I did the best I can with the supplies I had, and you can see how I went from beginning to the end. Well, I'm all done right now. I got to do some more molding and all. Time for a rest. I got to go put some doors back on. So there it is. Shelves are done. Walls are done. Little hinge doors on there. I know how to close that up. I gotta get some more wood so I could bring the shelf out a little further. I'm all done. Just cleanup time. See you on number 5.